Welcome to the tutorial on how to use PWA. This will be a series of tutorials that focus on the basics to managing your projects in PWA. Today, we are going to show you how to search for your projects in PWA, how to build your team, and how to assign team members as resources to different activities within your project. The first thing you want to do is create a custom filter that will allow you to search for just your projects. By going to field name, owner, and test contains, and then by going to value and putting in your last name, and then clicking OK, only your projects will show up in PWA. Then you want to select your project. Nathan is going to use UPC 114275 for his example project today. Once you open this project up, you will see the schedule for this project. You then want to go to the top and select Project. Once you select Project, you will then select Build Team. After you select Build Team, you then have the option to add anybody in the state as a team member to your team. Nathan's going to create another custom filter to search for one specific person to add to his team by going to Field Name, Resource Name, Test, Contains, and then value, the last name of the person you're trying to add, and then clicking OK, you will see only their name shows up. If you click the box next to their name and then add, you will see their name gets added to the bottom of the list. This will allow you to add that person as a resource to any activity. Make sure to click Save to confirm that you want to add them to your team. Now your project will open back up. You want to go back up to the top and click Task. You then want to hit Edit in Browser. This will take a minute, so you may have to wait. Once it allows you to select Edit in Browser, select Edit in Browser. Now you will be able to edit your project in this browser. As you can see, Nathan doesn't have any resource assigned to Activity 22. Nathan's going to assign himself as the resource for Activity 22. Once you assign somebody, you want to go to the top and click Publish. This will save and publish your project. This will take a while, but wait.
1 hour later.
Once it comes back, you then want to go to Close. This will give you the ability to check your project in. Always check your project in when you're done. Once you check your project in, your list of projects will come back. Make sure to click your project one more time so you can confirm all your changes. As you can see, Nathan is now the resource for Activity 22. Nathan will be responsible for putting in all dates relative to Activity 22. This concludes our first tutorial on the basics to managing your projects in PWA.